Hey everyone, and welcome to Benzinga TV. Joel Elkanen, I'm Brent Slava, coming to you live from our downtown Detroit newsroom. And today we want to talk to you about headline risk. It's a very relevant topic this week, considering some items that have happened to Chipotle this week. Joel,
I think there's no other way to put it than you did on the phone yesterday. And you've never seen stocks just been so prone to move on headlines than CMG this week.
Yep. So really quickly, what happened? A website, iwaspoisoned.com, was featured in a Business Insider article on Tuesday, I believe, highlighting some food safety concerns and people getting sick at a Virginia store. What happened was I Was Poisoned. This is a website where customers can submit food safety concerns at restaurants. There's a ton of publicly traded companies that are listed on this every single day. However, this one that was highlighted by Business Insider really impacted Chipotle shares on Tuesday. I think the stock was down like $30 or so, Joel.
I think we're alluding to here more like headline risk. We see it in CMG this week, but there's also in stocks like Tesla. You know, Elon Musk tweets about Model 3 production. Boom,
Stock
instant
moves.
impact on the stock. Any comments regarding iPhone 8 sales or delays are from the suppliers. So there's different stocks, different sectors that have different, motivations behind the moves.
Right.
So headline risk, any stock that you're trading, there are different websites, tweets associated with it that are going to move that stock.
And I think something else to note in this story is, so the next day on Tuesday, the next day after the Chipotle incident on Wednesday, there was an alert on I Was Poisoned for Dunkin' brands, ticker DNKN. And traders started circulating that there was, an alert from a customer on a Dunkin' store. Dunkin' shares fell right away. And what do you know? What happens literally a couple minutes later, the stock rebounds and actually closes higher for the session. So when I see that kind of action, what gets me wondering is why Chipotle? If there's, hundreds of alerts on this website a day, and a lot of them are publicly traded stocks, publicly traded companies, why didn't those stocks react? So, we're just sort of seeing the environment that a Chipotle investor is really
They kind of
dealing with
created
here.
their own environment. I think we're
Exactly.
going back late to 2015 maybe, and
I think
early
like
16.
October.
Right. So investors are on their toes for any kind of news related to that. iwaspoisoned.com, I don't think you're going to get much good news out of that site,
I
right?
don't think
if
so.
you're looking for
Right.
it. Dunkin' brands, that was the first time that really anything has come up with their
True,
food
true.
qualities.
Yeah.
So, they kind of get the nod the first time. I think CMG did react similarly the first few times these issues surfaced.
Yeah,
So
you might be right.
I think it's kind of the nature of the headline and then the repetition of the headline and how investors are in the stock, before the news hits.
So, from what besides the stuff that you said right now, is there any other tips you can give watchers, listeners out there for incorporating awareness about headline risk into their strategy?
I mean, it has to be there. Not necessarily being an intraday trader, making buy and sell decisions off it. But, if you're a long-term investor in any of these restaurant stocks, this is a go-to site. You have to be paying attention to it. Whether or not you like their content, it's moving stocks, be relevant. 2 months, no one may not even be talking about the site. But right now, if you're in restaurant stocks and you're not paying at least some attention for the movement in these stocks that's related to it, you're doing yourself a disservice.
So, Chipotle shares are down about $40 for the week right now. Joel, are you a buyer on this dip?
I ate there once several years ago, and
Yeah.
I haven't been back. They bringing down their sales numbers, which are going to be hard to beat now. They've already brought them down considerably. I mean, are you going to eat at a CMG soon?
No comment. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Brent Slava. This is Joel Elkanen, host of Benzinga's Pre-Market Prep. Please subscribe to Benzinga TV if you haven't already. We'll be getting lots more videos just like this that I'm sure you'll like coming soon. Thanks for watching.